Okay, I just did a whole video without you. Oh my god. That happens, guys. It happens a lot with all of us. Okay, let's start again. Oh my heck. Okay. Dollar Tree. Gingerbread bags. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I had to get them. I think I will put one in here in my December daily, and I'm not sure what I'll do with the other ones. Maybe Ariel will want to make a little baggie for her friends, a couple of her friends. So I grabbed those. I grabbed Mr. 10 because next year, this is what I went on about for 10 minutes. I'm so sorry. My hot cocoa bar this year, I wanted to do gingerbread. I could not find the cups that I wanted. I need 6. 4 will be good, but I need 6. Right now it's Santa Claus. So, but next year I really want it to be gingerbread. I really want it to be gingerbread because the Santa Claus is my kitchen. So the dining room where the hot cocoa bar is, I want it to be gingerbread. So there's some things I want to change for next year, so it'll be good. So this is a little tin, and I thought I would either use it for decoration up there, or I will put cookies in this and use it for that, but mostly for next year because I probably won't find that next year. I got some Chanel stems because when we did the December cart, I needed red. So I found a pack. I didn't find it individually. So the red and green will go into that cart, and the other colors are Halloween colors, and I will put them in that cart. So there's those. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious, I can't believe it. Okay, in the dining room, it is my snowman themed dining room. Well, I'm going to make the hot cocoa bar gingerbread next year. Right now it's Santa Claus. So my tree is white and red, and it's my snowman tree, is my snowman tree. But I love the farmhouse look, so, because the red farmhouse is red, and so that is going to go onto that tree. I've added some already. I'm not going to overdo it, just add a little bit to it, and I found these. So I went on and on about that. Oh my heck. So I did find these. This is going to be a shorter video. The other one was 14 minutes. And then I grabbed some of these, and I couldn't remember what I grabbed them for. I know I'm going to take a couple of these and kind of hang them on that hot cocoa bar so it looks kind of festive. But I think I wanted a red for hanging on the banister. I wanted some bulbs hanging in between the banister, the poles and the banister. And they're wrought iron, so they're black. And these balls are small enough they'll fit in between there, and I wanted to add some of those in there. So I got these to do that. And I think, how many are in here? 12. So I'll add 6 and 6. So there should be 6 of each color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the other pack, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Will go on the other side. So it'll hang down. Be so pretty. Wait till you see it when I do the home tour. My winter home tour. I usually have that done at the beginning of the month. It is not going to get done at the beginning of the month. It'll probably be like the 3rd week because we got these craft videos to do. And in between craft videos, I have planner. I have a planner every week video. And then twice a month, I have a budgeting video. And then hauls, or I just did my nails. So that video will go up. And yeah. So, next thing. I bought these at Dollar Tree because I have this that goes on top of the hot cocoa bar. And I'm going to decorate with some greenery and stuff. And I got these. I just stuck, they're still hooked to the tag. And I got these to put in the front so it kind of hides this. I don't need to hide it, but I thought it would be cute to have candy canes hanging, and they're green. Everything in there is red and white. And there is some green, but I thought this would stand out a little bit. So I got these. I didn't know if I was going to use them on here or the mailbox. I may change my mind and put them on the mailbox. I don't know yet. So, but for now, I think on there. So, anyway, it's a lot smaller video because I'm not talking as much. So there is my haul. Oh, I know, I forgot one. My cards that I was doing for my December daily, I needed one more. Actually, I didn't need one more. I wanted to find a gingerbread one. I found a hot cocoa because we do hot cocoa all the time. So I got a hot cocoa so we can write in that and do a hot cocoa spread or whatever with the bar, with the new bar. Snowman. Ariel always makes a snowman. And I'm glad she did it when we got snow in October. The end of October and November, early November. We have no snow. It's been warm. It's been 60 to 70 degrees here. And I don't know if we're going to have snow by Christmas. So I did get a snowman thing, but it's in October. So I do have it. It's in my, I moved it over to my December thing on my computer so I can print it out. So if we don't get snow and she can't do a new snowman, that one will go in there. And here's the card. And then I'm going to intertwine those in there because I was going to do a room and I decided I'm going to do a card. You know what? It's easier for this. And I'm having the same problem with the October, but I'm not going to be able to, I'm going to have to like print something out and put it on those pages because I can't find, everything is like 3D for that. So we do lights. We got new lights for outside. So there'll be a picture of lights. And I thought this would be fun for lights or the Christmas tree or whatever. You know, the lights. Plus we go sightseeing. Light seeing. And then I bought this one last time because I didn't know if I was going to be able to find a gingerbread thing. So these ones are cookies and there's a gingerbread house over here on the side. You can just barely see it. And there's candy canes. We do a candy cane page every year. So, but when I went over to Dollar Tree, guess what I found? Gingerbread. Yay! So that's so fun. So this will be like when we do our gingerbread house and stuff. We usually do that around the second week, third week, somewhere in there on the weekend. We do it on the weekend. And so I found a page. So I'm so excited. So yeah, there's my haul. I hope you enjoyed my haul craft side of things. And like I said, the budget stuff is twice a month. Planner is every week. Crafts, especially now this time of year, is a lot. And then I don't do so much during the year. I don't do so many during the year. And then just hauls, you know, beauty hauls. I did my nails, beauty. You know, beauty I consider like nails, makeup, clothes, that kind of stuff. So, and plus I will be doing a purse switch out and all that kind of stuff. So there's a variety on here. Just pick something. Go check out the playlist and everything. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I cut it down a little bit. So I appreciate it. At least now I'm recording. So I will see you in the next video. Bye now.